Hey friends, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. Today we're making cheesy potato pancakes. I had these for the first time in Korea and they were so good that I knew I had to make them again at home. We're going to start with the dipping sauce first, so it's ready when the pancakes are done. Grab a small bowl and add half a cup of mayo. Then add 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of honey. Go ahead and mix that really well. Once it comes together and thins out a bit, you can add your seasonings. I added a little chili powder and some pepper, but you can adjust this however you like. Now let's move on to the pancake batter. First up is half of a small onion. Cut it in half, peel off the skin, and set it aside. We'll grate it in just a bit. Then grab 2 medium potatoes and peel them. If you have a peeler, that is the easiest. If not, be careful using a knife. Now grate the potatoes. When you get close to the end, you can use a fork to help grate the rest so you don't hurt your fingers. You'll probably notice there's already some liquid, especially when you transfer them to a bowl. We'll get the rest out in a second. Now do the same thing with the onion. This part can be a little trickier because of the layers, but the fork trick helps here too. Once it's grated, transfer it to a bowl. To remove as much liquid as possible, grab a paper towel. Put the onion in the towel and squeeze out the liquid. Once that's done, move on to the potatoes. Drain off any liquid in the bowl first, then wrap them in a paper towel and squeeze again. There's more volume here, so just be careful not to tear the towel and lose any potatoes. Add the drained onion and potatoes to a bowl. Then add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch, a little salt, and a small teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything together until it's combined. Since I wanted these to be more of a cheese-stuffed pancake, I added the cheese to the pan rather than to the batter. Heat a pan with a little oil. Once it's hot, add about 2 tablespoons of batter and spread it out so it's not too thick. Add cheese on top, then cover it with a little more batter. Cook for about 4 minutes, but keep an eye on it since all stoves are different. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from today. Flip and cook for another 4 minutes on the other side. As the pan gets hotter, you may notice they cook faster. For my last couple of pancakes, I only needed about 3 minutes per side. Repeat until all the batter is used. And that's it. These make such a good snack or side dish, and if you add a few extras, they could easily be a full meal. If you end up trying different fillings or toppings, let me know. I'd love to hear what you come up with. Thanks so much for being here with me today. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one.